Okay, so today we're looking at this gizmo right here. Any guesses on what this is? Because it could change your life. So I'm going to show you how it works and tell you what it is. All right, so this thing is a automatic scrubber. So for cleaning sinks, showers, toilets, whatever, you name it. If you've got a house, you've got an apartment, got a car, this thing will work on it. It's pretty cool. So it comes with all different kinds of attachments. So this is a flat brush. Here's a smaller flat brush. Here is an angled brush to get in the corners and things. It comes with like a polishing pad. This is the attachment piece that you use to put these on. This is like a sponge. And this one here is almost like a soft chamois. Pretty nice. So you can polish, you can do all kinds of things, and stuff. And there's your like little scouring pad. Pretty cool. I haven't used these yet. I haven't had a use for them. The ones I use the most are these nylon brushes, particularly the corner one. This is good for getting in the edges with grout and silicone. The caulking. I bought this for my shower. Our shower has hard water, and so it stains the plastic shower pan. So these nylon brushes get that stuff right up. But the reason I got it was because I had, like I said, surgery, and I needed to be able to stand up and do all the cleaning. And that's why I got this. So this piece will actually attach to an extension rod. And this is actually two pieces. It screws together right there, as you can see. And it's got a handle, but down at the bottom, it's got a cam lock right here. And you can unscrew this, and this extends out, another foot or so, which allows me to stand up and be able to scrub. And I'm going to show you how that works right now. All right, so as you can see, we've got a lot of hard water stains. It like turns pink for some reason, pink and orange, and it looks a lot worse than it did before because I've sprayed it about 10 minutes ago with some scrubbing bubbles, and that's just kind of to break in those grooves. And to quickly show you the attachments here, basically it just fits right in. You push it down and you are good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the wand here. It just fits right in. Give it a twist and you're ready to go. And so I'm going to go ahead and start using this thing. There is a little button right here. Now this is pretty loud. That's the only downside to it, but it does a pretty decent job at doing the cleaning. So once it makes contact with this real stiff nylon brush on this plastic, it is going to get loud, so bear with me. I just wanted to give you an example of how this thing actually works. So it's got two settings. I'm going to turn it on. It's going to be on power 1. If you hit it again, it goes down to power 2. Pretty cool. And as you can see, it scrubbed quite a bit of this up already, and I'm not even really pushing on the wand to add any extra pressure. And what you're seeing is the foam turning pink. All right, and it's important to note that when I started this, all I was using was the chemical. I was not using any water, which would obviously make it more powerful during its cleaning process. But I wanted to show you just how good this thing is when I go rinse this down. The unit itself is waterproof, so you could actually, put this I wouldn't completely submerge it, but if you were, you know, outside getting hosed down or using it on your car or your RV or something, for sure, yeah, this thing is awesome. Anyway, like I said, I'll put a link in the description below, and as always, on to the next.